Hey, what's up? Alright guys, so here's one thing I don't understand, alright? So here's the thing. So I'm on my computer, alright? And here's what I'm gonna say. Chat, when you literally sleep, okay? How come you do not wake up, right? How come you do not wake up to literally the loudest noise in history? Like for example, if a speaker was like bigger than the earth and then it just blasted for you, you would not wake up. And even if a volcano erupted and just was so loud, I think maybe the whole earth is gonna hear it, you still don't wake up. And even if a massive tornado is just going to just swirl around your house, you still do not wake up. But how come your clock alarm or even your phone alarm, the simplest noise, even a freaking mice can withstand the force of a vibration of the alarm? You still wake up, bro. And here's the worst thing about alarms: when you're dreaming about something, chat, you are literally just wake up from the dream, bro. It's just like you just instantly woke up from the dream, like, bro. Like, that's the worst thing. That actually just happened to me. And here's the thing, guys. I cannot believe that these even exist. I was just dreaming of a good dream, and I literally just forgot what I was even dreaming about. And guys, I just want to know, when you wake up after your dream, why do you forget about your dream? Like, I'm not even joking, bro. If we just have one good dream, bro, and then we just forget about it, like, bro, that should be considered a crime, chat. Like, that should be considered a crime. And if you guys agree with me, then let me know in the comment section below.